Hi, my name is Trevor. I work here at EcoEnclose. I'm an account manager, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about retail packaging. At EcoEnclose, we've got two distinct product lines for our retail offerings. We've got our stock box program that we fulfill here out of our Louisville headquarters, and then at the right volumes, MOQ of 5,000 units, we do completely custom branding. I want to treat these as two separate offerings, and I want to start by talking about our stock tuck box offerings. We offer 5 different sizes of our stock tuck boxes. These are all made of 100% recycled content and 95% post-consumer waste. With these feature a reverse tuck closure, so you can pop these open and you simply fold them together to create your product box. These are geared towards companies who are looking for a retail unboxing experience. Something you might want to put on the shelves at your local grocery store or at Target or at Walmart. That is what these are for. Different than traditional shipping boxes, these are not meant as your shipping package. These are going to be what we consider primary packaging, where your shipping box made out of corrugate is going to be for shipping the material across the country, obviously. That's our smallest size. That is perfect for like a glass tincture, if you do CBD or any other sort of pharmaceuticals, great offering there. Now, a lot of times with these, we get questions about what does custom branding look like? And unfortunately, the way our stock program works, we can't custom print on these at low quantities, but we have a great label selection, and you could slap a simple label on there to really accentuate your brand image onto this box. With these, we also have larger sizes like this, made out of thicker material. We'll just fold it up like the other box. And then it's perfect size to put your product in. Pop that one in there and close it up, and you have a great retail unboxing experience. Once we get up to higher quantities at 5,000 units, we can custom design packaging for your needs based on the product. We get a lot of small companies that don't have packaging goals in mind necessarily, and all we do is take on a simple product and we custom design their packaging for them and give you physical mock-ups so you can make sure it fits your product. We can go back and forth with our designers all day long to make sure the box we design is perfect for your needs. A lot of times we can do cool cutout windows like this wax box, so the product can be shown and customers in a retail setting can feel the product, touch it, and even smell it in the case of something like a wax melt. In other retail settings, we also get asked a lot for hang tags. These hang tags are perfect for dual versatility. If you need to hang it on the shelf at your grocery store, or if it needs to sit on the counter, we can design a box that does both of those for you. Once we hit these volumes, we can do amazing print on these boxes, and the MOQ starts at just 5,000 units. One of our customers, Droppy, came to us with nothing more than a couple of bottles, and we custom designed their box for them for 18 of their product lines. We custom designed this box to feature an auto bottom as well as an easy fulfillment closure. With an auto bottom, you simply close the top and it's already erected for you. At that point, this closing mechanism only requires one finger to close. Simple and easy, no hassle, and it saves on fulfillment time. For companies that have a lot of different SKUs and products, our retail boxes are an awesome opportunity to feature different flavors. Maybe one's yellow, one's red, and you can accentuate that with beautiful 4-color process printing. And on top of that, we also offer different finishes, like this matte finish compared to a glossy finish. Sometimes we also get asked about print capabilities on white. We use a material known as CCNB, which is made of 100% recycled content, 35% post-consumer waste. This product allows us to print image-like pictures on the front of your packaging using a 4-color process known as CMYK. If you've got a product and you need a box for a retail setting, feel free to call us at EcoEnclose.